is not the reason why the Philippines is poor and miserable. We are the poorest country now in Asia Pacific and we are the dumbest. Mga kababayan, ito na po ang sinasabi natin na mukhang we are going through a period of enlightenment, illumination na again, sabi meron tayong 5,500 flood control projects. Yung pala, grabe ang baha dahil sama ng quality. Sabi bumababa ang ating poverty rate at food poverty. Yung pala, niloloko natin ang ating sarili. So, ngayon, ang ating headline, palagi na lang po yung South China Sea. Gusto ko lang pong bigyan ng counting paliwanag. Hindi po ang China ang dahilan kung bakit tayo naghihirap. China is not the reason why the Philippines is poor and miserable. We are the poorest country now in Asia Pacific and we are the dumbest. Hindi po China makagagawa niyan, kundi ang ating mga masasamang loob sa ating gobyerno at sa ating mga business and economic leaders. Sila po ang sanhi kung bakit tayo ay pahirap ng pahirap at sila naman ay